Bag. Say please. Which one do you want? Only one. Only one.
This one?
Okay.
This one?
It's a Sunday and we are out on a road trip to Makati because we will be eating dinner. This is so nice.
How about the Lego? Do you like the Lego? Which one do you want? The Lego or the Elsa? Elsa or Lego? Yay! Say, get this. You want the pink one? Thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you, Santa. Say thank you, Santa. Bye, Santa. Say hi.
You want this?
What's that?
What's this? What's this, Sunny?
Who's that? Ali, who's that?
Spider. Who's that? What color is Spider-Man? Ay, Spider-Man. Ay, kala niya Spider. Okay. Oh, you want this, Ali? You want Frozen?
Hi vlog. Okay, come on, slide. Show how to slide. Only pink. Pink only. Pink only. Okay, noted. Up. Okay. 3. Hi vlog. Ayan, iba talaga ang Santa Claus natin. The ultimate Santa this year. Say bye, Bas. Bye, Bas. Wow! Papa buying us ticket, more ticket.
Bilis mo. Sayang, 150. Okay. Wait. You have to wait, Ali. You have to wait. More?
Say please first, say
Say
please.
please. Okay, Five lang. What number is this, Ali? 5. Yes.
extra cat? Yeah? Up here. Yay! Alain! Alain! We are on our way home. Bye!
Let it go, let it go. Turn away and smile and know. Find away what we're going to say. Celebration.
Muna wiper. Close muna wiper.
Wow! Oh, paano bipip?
Panpipi. Turn on mo camera. Turn on camera tayo.
Ooh.
Oh, no.
Ah.
Beep.
Whoa.
Nasa ko yung kotse mo. Turn up mo, turn up. Yeah, press. Okay.
Wow!
Say bye.
Bye!
Say bye, car.
Bye, car.
Say bye, car.
Say bye, vlog!